I've always been around people. I was raised in a small grocery store and was told, this is our bread and butter, so you better smile and you better do a good job. So I'm very, very grateful to my parents and the way that they taught me and the importance of, being able to share with others. For 43 years I worked, and I was actually in business. Banking, real estate development, property management, insurance. When I was thinking about retiring, a good friend of mine, Christy Hevener, said, I have just the place where I think you would do very, very well. The Hillsborough Auxiliary Community Gate Path, it's a wonderful organization of women who spend time doing different things and actually promoting and supporting the activities of a community gate path. I'm an only child, so these people are all my sisters now.
She is an active volunteer at the resale shop on Rollins Road, and she participates in all of our activities, the participant picnic, the participant holiday party, all of our fundraising.
About 2 years ago, there was opportunities to volunteer at Learning Links. And that just really hit home.
Learning Links Preschool is an inclusive preschool. We have children that are from 2 years old up until 5. We have typically developing children and children with special needs in our classroom.
Volunteers are really important to our program because it gives teachers the opportunity to work more one-on-one with children, having another adult in the classroom. Our volunteers also bring a knowledge base that expands what we already provide in the classrooms.
With Learning Links, the teachers do need the support of a lot of us. They really work hard, and it's nice to be able to give them that kind of support, physical support, and sometimes even emotional support when they have things on their mind and they want to chat with you.
She's become a friend. She knows about my family and what I'm going through. She tells me what she's going through, so we all help each other out when we're going through things.
I'm single, I don't have any children, and I think children can bring out the best in me because I guess I'm not with them 24/7. I don't get as tired as some parents could get with the kiddos.
She's down and dirty with the kids. She's on the floor with them, she's dancing with them, she's reading to them. A lot of the kids that need a little tenderness and gentleness, they'll go right to her because she's just so sweet with them, and they really sense that.
And she noticed that there were some things that the teachers really could use and that the kids would really like. So the auxiliary and actually our past president, Madeline Fitzpatrick, suggested that we give $500 to Sandra and let her go out and buy what the teachers need. And that's what she did.
She's really thoughtful about what she brings to the classroom and make sure it's age appropriate, which just tells you that she really understands early childhood education and knowing what the classroom really needs.
In my life, I've always been a supporter, and I'll continue to be a supporter. I think this award has made me realize that maybe I'm a little bit more of a leader than a supporter. And I really thank all of you.
Congratulations, Teacher Sandra. You really deserve this.
We love you.
On behalf of the entire auxiliary, we are very proud of you.